Number 2 is SimpliSafe 11-piece HE security camera. The SimpliSafe 11-piece HE security camera is an all-in-one surveillance solution to protect your business premises. With its 11-piece bundle, you can enjoy round-the-clock protection, making it an excellent choice for businesses in 2024. Elevating security to the next level, the Smart Alarm Wireless Indoor Security Camera offers live guard protection, enabling monitoring agents to assess and interact with potential intruders in real time visually. Its integrated privacy shutter empowers you to control the camera's activity, ensuring your privacy remains paramount. With a noise level of 95 decibels, this system not only provides vigilant security, but also has an audibly intimidating presence. It weighs 6.49 pounds and is compactly sized at 12.2 x 10.8 x 6.3 inches, making it robust and space-efficient. The base station is the central hub with a cellular connection for alarm signals and a backup battery that can last up to 24 hours, ensuring uninterrupted protection. The bundle includes 6 entry sensors, providing discreet protection for doors, windows, and cabinets. These sensors seamlessly blend into your business environment. There are 2 motion sensors that prioritize human detection over pet detection, reducing false alarms. SimpliSafe's 11-piece HE security camera system is a comprehensive and effective security solution for businesses. It offers cutting-edge features that prioritize both security and user convenience. If you want to purchase this security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box.